Today I'll be opening up a big sign that I bought. My sister's opening up a Harry Styles thingy. So today I'm gonna be get out granola that I ate in the morning, and it's nighttime already. Then we're gonna try a little waffle maker that my sister bought. She brought. Oh my god. Oh. Háganlo poder besar cada noche. Dad can get mad. Okay, so my dad doesn't like Harry Styles. Well, we do.
We have a Nora the Captain, which you guys will actually diagonate. I fooled y'all. Nora the Captain, cannon ship and colors.
I'm gonna open this up. This bad boy up.
Oh my god, I have two.
No tiene 8. Side 8. Side B. Yeah,
I did it.
I did it. Okay, so I'm trying to open this up.
I feel like I'm missing something. Yeah, I'm missing something.
What?
The head of Steve. No, the head of.
I told you just open one. Aisle 1.
But I sorted them. All of them. I only find the helmet.
Okay,
but
now
not the
it's time to
head.
open this up. Like an ice cream one. I'm gonna try out.
And we have 4 good
Try out the other ones that I have low battery.
legendary.
This is
Pretty
the.
realistic packs. I actually like it.
Oh my god. Oh
Because
my
we have one more
god.
pack left, hopefully we can get some good.
Oh, this needle's got stuck.
We're probably gonna get like all the metal rares because there's
Okay, we got some little
I really
sprinkles that are not for eating.
Goblin Guard, Goblino.
Trash. Some little foamy beads.
Combo attack and red
Some
blade.
these are foamy beads. And some.
Captain Bolt.
And now we head on to the slide. Let me clear my table. I don't want any mix on it. Get out.
Wow. I just noticed that we didn't get anything in that mystery.
Get on it.
But it's fine because
It's
we do
time
have
before I've been
one more
waiting.
packs right here.
Okay, now I don't know.
Where is the head?
Back to the bundle box.
What really knows?
Where is it?
Oh my god, guys. You wish you were here.
Perfect for 2 people. I'll explain.
Oh my god, guys.
After that.
This is the biggest
Probably the
biggest
cleanest part I have.
slime I ever seen.
Where is it?
Oh,
Why?
it smells like vanilla.
Tristan,
Where
what
is it?
kind of genius is that? What do you think?
I don't know.
I'm not gonna put any food. She got my sister there.
Sounds like science.
You know
Is
how much that cost?
Genius or what?
That's
Once I thought of it, I just ran.
That's
with it
cost.
and made it because I was like, this is cool. So
$33 on Walmart.
I don't
Yeah,
know if these are
$33.
Did I do the middle finger?
dandelion and a red dandelion.
What?
Then we have the sun, shocks, and this is 3
Mira que sea the biggest.
Then he actually does have a
My
smile.
paper.
Can't really say it too well. He does have
Oh, I set some paper up.
yellow instead of yellow and black.
Bro, if you.
I would have made one of his attacks sting, but then I know that
It's
she's kind of,
done.
well, what's that? What's that? And I'll get to it in a little bit.
I can't
You're not gonna need
find
van.
Shouldn't he die after that?
I can't find the
Bro,
head.
it's scratchy.
Big gun.
I don't care. It's not my problem.
It's a rare. Oh, what's up?
Well, I'm playing with my
And we
slime.
already know who we're getting.
So let's get started to decorate. Ow!
Yeah, she didn't mean to do that.
Time to take off my shoes because I just came. We went to try out my new van. It's nighttime. It's still 9:44. It's about to be 10. But I don't care. I'm gonna be.
Out of his mouth. Laser beams and claws. It's a cool card, actually.
It's gonna be like ass martinis today. I never did them.
But,
Yeah, let me check it out.
comment below what you think of the Fight Universe
If
Draft.
I had 1,000 of like thingies, the slimes, I'll be like using all my slimes to clean all my mess in my room. Like all the little tiny thingies that I have.
This is also
in my room. Like, look at this big chuggus thingy.
I guess I'll get onto the card.
a Galaxy Star Draft.
That's mine.
But it's Star Wars.
Oh, mine is the
You
black
got
one.
giant wings and
This
Galaxy.
is mine to make the card.
Look at these.
Because
You know you only have to do it in normal paper.
2015. We have Ninja Dragon.
I need
Super Fun,
pencils.
got the George, and we got a Fedrino. We got a Raid with a double team.
Okay, now let's get started on decorating. Okay, let me put a blue body. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do that later. I'm gonna do the sprinkles.
Alright, so the first card we have.
My friends are watching
We have
this.
a Whale
So I'm
King
gonna go
Connor.
live.
Pretty cool card, actually. Not gonna lie. I'm acting like these are real quick.
My brother's gonna do some cards.
I'm recycling
React to
them.
my own cards.
He's gonna do.
Yeah, you just witnessed.
I hope it doesn't get. Oh no, it doesn't get.
Especially a vampire.
I hope if I can do a big bubble. I wonder how much glue this took to make.
Shadow punches and it's a remake of the card.
You need a ruler for that. You never know if you can make the.
Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 6 packs left, guys.
Guys, we're gonna start mixing it up.
Alright, I actually did not mean to say that. It's actually Riversoul. There's actually a pretty cool thing about Riversoul. Why am I doing this? There's only 3 cards. There's actually a pretty
I've
cool
never
thing
done
about
it.
Riversoul.
Oh, I can feel like the little tiny sprinkles. They're coming out. Okay, we're gonna take my bowl out. Oh, my trashy out. Ugh, my granula. The top of the the top of the Get out! I'm gonna throw you on the floor instead. Now I got my biggest slime I ever gotten. I've never gotten this big slime.
Alright, so these are all the cards that we got that are good. Especially a lot. Especially the universe.
Throw that. That hard hat is like some big. Ooh, guys, look. Can you see? No, you can't. I think you can. I don't know. But like
Shadowless, which everyone say,
the color of the
because I'm gonna be getting rid of them. Probably being set too, actually. Don't
I always wondered if I had a big clear slime like this one, but I don't. I like white and the clear ones and blue ones and red ones. Some I don't know how. Some are pink. I like pink. And now which for me? So Asthma. If I stop the video, it's because like my phone dies.
I'm not doing it.
Oh, no, no, wait.
The same way Soaps is. So there you go, Soaps.
Kidding, I'm not-
Check out him. He's actually really cool.
And if I popped it, oh,
And we keep on going, but we have gargoyles right here, and they're getting feisty. So we have a fuzzy for a rare. Actually, a deja vu. I had a dream.
Cards can I make?
And the next day I was making kind of cool.
thankful.
Oh, I have a mega.
Slimes.
There's Sergio
No.
Mega.
Look.
Slice and need to battle. He's a king. He doesn't really.
These even.
I guess you can say that.
Sister's still excited about her new hairstyles.
We have 2 more bracelets, and then we're done. So let's just pile right through these because dinner is ready. We have Eclipse. We have Zoe Spider Queen. Sorry for all the. Oh crap, we got him. We have River Solar. Quick swim, sudden attack.
Imagine I did a big bubble and it popped on in front of my face.
We have a legendary. Alright, his name
I don't know
is actually not
how YouTubers make a good slime, and then after the video, it's not like that watery. But every time I do mine, I put enough activator and enough like enough baking soda, and then after I'm done and playing with it, and I leave it like for an hour or for a day, it's already watery, and it can't even stretch, and then my hands get all red. Like some people, I don't know what do they put to make this. I think you put, I don't know, comment down below, guys. You think shaving cream or you think like, I don't know why, but something like clay to make it like your favorite slime.
So thank you all for watching so much.
So now let's open this package, little package up. Let's open it with the scissors that I
worked so hard on this thing, honestly.
tinted
I should
it.
have worked harder, but I made this in like an hour. We have this universe. Let me take it down.
Oh my god, why is it not
Universe
cutting?
promo exclusive. This is gonna be an
Wait,
actual
let me make a
product.
hole
You
here
guys
and I
will
can
be able to
like,
get your hands on this when it is for sale.
like some
And I am
of it
checking my
in,
PO box tomorrow.
like it's
So you better
taking
be
out balls
expecting some
from,
new TCG openings. Wall.
they have like flavor taste, like smell.
Yeah, I know. You probably read the title, and if you didn't, how did you click on this video? Oh, you read the thumbnail. Well, if you didn't read the thumbnail or the title, how do you read the video? You know what? I don't care. You're here. But yeah, this is an update video, and yes, I am making a new TCG. Whoa, And
Like, guys, I'm
there's
serious.
probably some questions that you got. The first question, well, what's gonna happen to Smash Bros? Because now you're making a new TCG. What's gonna happen? What's gonna
There's
happen?
gonna be
to
like
Smash Bros?
enough
What
for
is
the
this new TCG?
whole
Why am I
slime.
making this new TCG?
I'm
And what's the
serious,
future for both of them? Well,
Oh my god.
Smash Bros. Part. No, I am not.
Like,
giving up
imagine
Smash
if,
Bros.
like, I made a bubble and it popped in front of my
Smash
face.
Bros. is
And
on Untapped
all the hard work that I actually made it and put it into a bowl.
I'm trying to put on the Game Crafter right now as well, which means it's going to be for sale. I
I'm
feel
just
like I gotta
lying.
get some first.
I'm just kidding.
But yeah,
I
so
did.
once
Look at these beautiful tingies. If I put them all in here, I'll suck all of them up.
and it's done,
Suck them up. Suck them up.
that being set one and done. So it's
That's
similar
what
to
giving me
Smash
ideas for
Bros.
making
are not
Pokemon
bad.
cards.
I'm actually going to be working
Oh, my brother said if you have any ideas to make cards like out of paper, he'll make a video on his YouTube channel. And it's Jakey Gamer. Get out. Oh my god, I feel uncomfortable now. I'm always excited. What?
because
I'm
I just want
Have you watched Jesse?
another one that has all the things
I'm a
that
fan of Jesse.
Smash Bros. Doesn't have.
Pokemon.
You're a fan of Pokemon? It's okay. You're in my brother's team.
But I'm not saying anything like bad about Smash Bros. I'm probably gonna seem like I'm hating on it a little bit right now, but
Guys,
missing things that
I'm always excited. You know, like I've dreamed to have a big slime since I was little. And I always dreamed to be a YouTuber. And I am a YouTuber.
because that's
You
actually
can become a superstar.
because if you just played a game that doesn't have much variety at all, and is
So look at the slime that it
there's not much skill.
paper.
It's not really like that enjoyable. But
If you dare me in one of my videos to smack this,
I wanna
like
make a
every time I
TCG
smack it, it feels like a butt.
that has
I'm
everything that
smacking
I want
somebody's
in a
butt,
TCG, right?
somebody's tiny butt.
Because Smash
You know,
Bros. was
it's-
such like a learning experience that now it's like
Okay, now
I've learned so much for
all
making
the
it.
phone
that it's
beats
like,
are everywhere now.
another TCG with all the stuff that I want in it.
I'm sick.
So that's
Wait,
kind of
my slime hasn't gotten
I'm not
ruined.
giving up on Smash
Now I'm
Bros.
gonna put it on its
The rest of the
bowl.
TCG. But that's
No,
pretty much it.
we're gonna.
You know, this TCG is
I don't know which one I
so
will
much
want to do.
strategy, it's
I'm
gonna
gonna do
have
these
deck
ones.
building, right? That's just strategy. And it's gonna have, competitive aspects to it and everything.
And I like to watch every day when I feel bored. I like to watch my edited Jesse. Why not? Because I was bored.
Yeah, no, it's just
My
people
schools
before
got
actually
canceled because
tell
I
you exactly what
failed
TCG
all
is
the
about.
tests, whatever.
And
Oh my god! Oh my god!
what this TCG is about. The name, well, as of right now,
They look like little Fruit Loops.
is
Then I'll show you my
Sail
fruit.
the Seas.
My fruit slime that I made.
Yeah. Sail the seas, as in oceans of water. And you're sailing.
And this
Yeah, it's about
video is
pirates.
sponsored
Probably
by
guessed it if you
TikTok
did.
and Roblox.
But yeah, it's about pirates and stuff. Whoa, that's pretty cool. And I just kind of like thought about. I actually was making. I probably bring this up later on in the video, but I was actually making another
Now I
TCG
can
spell book,
mix it up.
and it wasn't really going too good. So I
Okay,
wanted to
now I
make
put
TCG
those
something
little
that
details
was
on it.
easier. So I chose like a pirate.
Oh my god, it's gonna come
That's where
off.
Sail
Yeah,
the Seas
they're
came
gonna
in.
come
So,
off.
that being
They
said,
came
let's
off.
get
They
into
came
the
off.
actual TCG, just like the
Ah.
intro. This isn't like the whole game. This is just like the beginning intro
Purple stayed in.
or being the start of working on it. So basically, with Sail the Seas,
Okay, we're gonna do the next part
When it comes to making cards on subs,
in a
guys,
while. So bye. See you in the part two.
you try to get